Good morning, all of you. Now, today we are going to study about how to balance a chemical equation. Now, consider now one equation is given to you. A chemical equation is balanced step by step, and that is called a trial and error method. Is used for this purpose. Now, consider the following equation as an example. So, you see here sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid. We are getting sodium sulfate plus water. Okay, and this equation is a word equation. So we will write this first word equation into chemical equation. So sodium hydroxides NaOH, sulfuric acid H2SO4, it gives sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus H2O. Now just first see whether this equation is balanced or not. So how we will check this? What we will do, we will just write the how many elements are present on the left side and the right side. So just now see here element. Now here in this equation, sodium is there, oxygen is there, hydrogen is there, then sulfur is also there. Then okay, so we will see now sodium on the left side, Na we are writing. Then oxygen is there. Then hydrogen and sulfur. So in this total equation, 4 elements are there. Okay. Now we will see on the left side how many sodium are there? One atom of sodium. On the right side, Na2, 2 sodium atoms are there. Okay. Now on the left side, total how many oxygen atoms are there? This is 1, and this is O4 means 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So on the left side, 5 oxygen atoms are there. Now on the right side, how many oxygen atoms are there? This is 4. O4 means 4 atoms of oxygen. This is O1 means total 5 oxygen atoms are on the right side. Now next we will see hydrogen atom on the left side. See, this is 1 hydrogen atom and this is 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. So I am writing 3 hydrogen atom on the left side. Now on the right side, how many hydrogen atoms are there? You see 2 hydrogen atoms. You have written 2. Now what is remaining now? Sulfur. 1 atom of sulfur on the left side, and on the right side 1 is there. Okay. Now see here in this table now you see oxygen is balanced 5-5 and sulfur is balanced 1-1. Okay. So 2 elements are there which are unbalanced, means sodium 1 on the left side and 2 on the right side. So it is also non-balanced, and hydrogen is also unbalanced. Okay. So what we will do here, in the third step, it is given that we have to select that maximum number element or the compound which is having the maximum number of atom of elements. Okay. So in this Na2SO4 and H2SO4, they are having the maximum number. So what we do, we will take this Na2SO4. So in the first case, we will balance the sodium atom. Okay. So how to balance now? Let's see, I have written here that step 2, it is already here. Now I have written here step 3. So we have to balance sodium atom. So initially in this case you see sodium atom 1 is there. Okay. And in the right side 2 are there. So what I will multiply, okay, to balance, to make it 2, it is multiplied by 2. Okay. So it will become 2. Okay. So in this case here also 2. So they are balanced. Now what we are going to do, just we will put this 2 in the equation of 10. Okay. Means what we are going to do, so the above equation becomes the equation number 10 will become 2 NaOH. Okay. So if we are just putting 2 in front of 2 NaOH, it will become 2 NaOH. Okay. See, only one important thing is that only in which we are balancing or this atom, okay, then that much only we have to write. Other we have to keep as it is. Okay. So I have written here 2 NaOH, and other compounds are as it is. H2SO4, okay, as it is. Then Na2SO4 as it is, plus H2O. So after balancing the sodium atom, we got this equation. Now let's check whether this equation is balanced or not. So what is the next step to check this? What we will do, we will write again all the elements, and then we will write how many atoms are there on left side and on the right side. So now first we will take sodium. See here on the left side how many sodium atoms are there? Here 2, 2NO, 2Na means 2. Then here only 2 are there. Okay. Now see on the right side how many sodium atoms are there? Na2. Yes, 2. Okay. Now next is the oxygen. We will see how many oxygen atoms are there on the left side. See here, O. This is O and this is here. This 2 is for all the atom of this element. Okay. So this is 2 oxygen atom. Then here 4. So 2 plus 4, that is 6 oxygen atom. Okay. Now on the right side how many oxygen atoms are there? You see here 4 oxygen atom and here only 1. So that is 5. Got? Now what is the next one? Hydrogen atom. We will see the hydrogen, 2 hydrogen atom here and here 2. Total 4 hydrogen atom. Here I have written here. Now on the right side how many hydrogen atoms are there? Here 2 only. Okay, H2. So I will write here. Now sulfur 1 is there. So I have written 1. Okay. On the right side 1 is there. Okay. Now see what happened now. Previously oxygen was balanced. Now after when we are balancing the sodium atom, other elements got unbalanced. So this is the case also always when we are trying to balance one, the other gets unbalanced. Okay. So now what we which are two? Now sodium is balanced. Now sulfur is balanced. Now both oxygen and hydrogens are unbalanced. So what we will do? We will take the hydrogen first to balance. Okay. So now we will balance hydrogen atom. So again number of hydrogen atom. So in hydrogen atoms are in which compound? Here and hydrogen here also. Okay. Then here also. So what we will do? We will see now to balance. First we have seen this hydrogen is 4 here and 2 here. So what we will do? We will balance in this equation. Okay. So in NOH also and H2O. So for hydrogen atoms are there. Okay. So what we will do initially in this, how many hydrogen atoms are there? Here see here. Yes, I have written 2 and 2, 4. Okay. But in H2O it is only 2. So I will write 4 as it is. Okay. So I have written here 2. Okay. 2. 4 as it now. To make 4, what I have to do? I have to multiply it by 2. So that will be 4 and 4. Okay. So now what we will do now? We will just write instead of 2 here. I will write again 2 in front of H2. So this equation will become now the above 11th equation, number 11 will become 2NaOH plus H2SO4, that is Na2SO4 plus 2. I have added the 2H2O. Okay. So the equation becomes 12 in this manner. Okay. Now this we got this equation. Now let's check whether this equation is balanced or not. So what we have to do? We have to just write the equation again. Sodium and oxygen, hydrogen and sulfur. Okay. Now we have to see now sodium. How many sodium atoms are there? 2. On the right side 2 are there. Okay, I have written. Then what is oxygen? Okay, oxygen how many are there? Here 2 and here 4. 6. Okay, I have written 6. Here how many are there? 4 oxygen here. Okay, and 2 here. So that is, say 2 means for this hydrogen as well as oxygen. So 2 and 4, 6 as it is. Okay, so it is balanced. It is balanced. Now next is the hydrogen. How many are there? Here 2 hydrogen and here 2. 4 hydrogen. So I have written 4. Now here you see how many hydrogen are there? 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. So I have written 4. So this is also balanced. Now sulfur, how many are there here? 1. Okay, I have written 1. Here how many sulfur are there? 1. So this is totally balanced. So in this manner, this is our final equation. Okay, so hence it is fair. Thank you.